full throttle, top gear on a slope, and 80 is the limit. Beijing is 2172 miles from here. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Ready?
All set. That's it, the road.
One bike is ready. This is going to stay here for the afternoon, until the afternoon. We'll go explore Somoriri, Hanle, whatever is there on this route, and come back, then pack our luggage and head towards Manali. That's the plan for today. So I've given you the idea of today's video. Let's get to motovlogging now. Motovlogging begins. We finished breakfast. It's M Chacha who prepared dinner for us last night. He has a cafe on the first floor of a department store there. And you get basic stuff in Chumatang. Not bad. Where are these trucks coming from? From Sarchu, huh? We just found out that there's another road to Sarchu from Mahi. There are a lot of homestays here as well. We found a decent one. Indus View guest house is nice. Any tap you open, you'll get hot water. Why? Because there's a hot water spring there and it's connected directly to the hotel. It looks like that. After ages, I took bath in hot water today. It was weird. I didn't like it. Even to wash hands, you open the tap in the wash basin, the water is running hot there. Running hot water 24/7. Thanks to the hot spring here in Chumatang. Yeah, we will visit that hot spring once we're back. Before checking out, we'll just take a look at that as well. We reached Mahi checkpost and only then realized that we forgot our inner line permit paper, which we're supposed to submit here. I totally forgot about it. I just had a thought I should carry that, but it was in the tank bag. And I don't put the tank bag on this vehicle, right? So, blunder of the day. We thought we'll go towards Manali today. I don't think it's gonna happen. Yatish is gonna talk to them. I don't think they're gonna accept it because they need document proof. ಏನಂತ
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡಿ ಯೂಟರ್ನ್.
ವೈ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ನಾವು ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ 2 ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೋಮವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ 2 ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
So 22 kilometers back.
20 किलोमीटर ಹಿಂದೆ.
हाँ, Chumatang. इंडस व्यू. वो 2 गाड़ी है हमारा और लगेज है, तो वो टैंक बैग में रखा था. वो गाड़ी वहाँ छोड़ के ये गाड़ी लेके आया.
उसको लेना, वही तो लेकर जाना. और आपको
मैं वो भूल गया.
या इसमें होता है या जीरो कॉपी होना चाहिए या इसमें होना चाहिए.
ये इसमें होना है.
ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
ಒಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ವ ನೆನ್ನೆ
ನಾನು
ಕೊಡಿಲೆ ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
इस पुलिस चेक पोस्ट है.
हाँ.
इसके बाद समोरीरी में आईटीपी वाला है.
हाँ.
लोमा बैंड में आईटीपी वाला है. फिर मेन पॉइंट है वहाँ क्या करना है.
ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚಂಡೀಗಢದಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು.
हाँ.
ಅವ್ರು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಫೋಟೋ ಇಲ್ಲ.
अभी लेकर आओ.
हाँ, लेके आ जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಾ.
ಚಂಡೀಗಢದ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ರು ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ
ಸರಿ, ನಡಿ. ಒಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೈ. Okay, no problem. We'll sort it out. Just a matter of 20 kilometers. It's okay. Let's go. Hurry up and come back with the papers. So yes, the time is, what is the time? 10:15. We started at 9:45 from the room again and reach here at 10:15. Yes, copy kota?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದು ಸೋಮವಾರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ.
अनले दूर है, अनले जाओ पहले.
हाँ. कितना दूर पड़ेगा? नाइट नहीं है. नहीं, हानले जाके आ जाएंगे. सोमवार विजिट चुमतांग स्टे है.
आराम से आ सकते हो ना. अभी तो हानले जाओ.
कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
70-80 बीघा जो अले 90
90
रोड अच्छा है. 2 hours. We could have done this an hour ago if we would have just remembered to take that document with us. So it's okay. No big deal. Because in Hanle it's just the observatory, right? So we'll go see if it's open, we'll visit. If it's closed, we'll come back. The road from Mahi to Hanle is, I don't know, it started off like this. No one on the road, hardly a few military convoys or trucks going around. So to come to Hanle, you need to have permission from the DC office in Leh. Remember that? Only then you can view this. This bike is really underpowered. It feels underpowered the minute you come climbing up an altitude or something. It doesn't go beyond 80. Done. 80 and all is like big deal in the mountains for this bike. Full throttle, top gear on a slope, and 80 is the limit. Just imagine. Beijing is 2,172 miles from here. Where is Rudok? Rudok should be the border town. 117 miles. Delhi is 1,535. Chandigarh is 1,035. Beijing is 2,172 miles. Whoa, that's quite a lot. Okay, military outpost. I think they'll stop us now. Ride update. Until Nyoma, the roads were tarmac. Now it is gravel. After Nyoma town, I mean the village, not the town, the village, Nyoma village. Now we are going towards Loma, and the roads are like this, but the scenery is beautiful. In the middle of nowhere. You see this? We have a flat tire. See this?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಏನೋ ಲಗೇಜ್ ತರಬೇಕಲ್ವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. I was expecting this yesterday and it happened today. I was thinking we shouldn't go without our puncture toolkit. The puncture toolkit is in the room, and Loma is another 3 kilometers. I think we'll ride all the way there. We'll do something about it. This had gotten into the tire, so we'll ride. That's all. What else to do? We'll go to Loma and we'll see if get the puncture done and continue the ride. Extreme adventure, heavy adventure. All part of the ride, dude. All part of the ride. Come on, come on. We'll keep moving. So we have a tubeless tire with a tube in the rear, so it should hold our weight. We'll take it slow for another 3 kilometers. Just hope that we have a puncture repair shop there. Even if he does the puncture and gives enough, I'll remove the tire. Puncture repair shop, they'll have all that. Sit.
ಫುಲ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯೋ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ, ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ? ಫೈನ್, ಕಮ್ ವಾಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೂತ್ಕೋ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ, ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yatish walking in the distance. I think another 1.5 kilometer to Loma. I was standing up on the foot pegs, leaning towards the front and just riding. And as we were riding, there is a small tube strap which comes to protect the tube from the spokes joints inside. So the things just broke and came out, so only the tube and the tire is there inside. We hope we have some solutions in Loma. Yatish is like a nomad walking in the desert with 2 helmets.
What happened?
Nothing, I just stopped for you.
No, go carry on.
Coming. ಆ ಕಡೆ ತುಳಿ
ತುಳಿಬೇಕಾ ಏನ
ಹಾಂ ತುಳಿ ತುಳಿ ತುಳಿಯ ಹಾಂ
ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
ಇದು ಹಾಂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
ಹಾಂ ಕುಡಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಯಿತು
ಹ್ಞೂ
ಕೇಳಿ ಮಣ್ಣಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಗ್ಸು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಗ್ಸು ಸಾರಿ
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ
ತೆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿದು
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
Why are we sitting in a truck when we have motorcycles?
Some unfortunate incidents.
Unfortunate incidents keep happening. Expect the unexpected. So we came to Loma military post and we requested this. Aapka naam bhaiya?
Rajiv Sharma.
Rajiv Sharma. So he is taking us to the next town, which is about 6 kilometers from here. So when they have a flat, we'll get. Hope we get our puncture fixed because I still doubt it. There's a small issue with that strap that we had now. That thing snapped. When that thing snapped, there's no point placing the tube inside because the spoke screw will puncture the tube eventually. Radish, true adventure begins, huh?
already
Things are going very smooth. It's noisy. We just crossing the Indo-Tibetan border checkpost. That was the bridge. Well, what a place to have a puncture, huh? Memorable day. It will be for sure. So lucky we found these people and they decided to help us. We are यहाँ से हानले कितना दूर है भैया?
दूर है, पता नहीं कितना है।
1 घंटा का रास्ता है बोला। हाँ 40 किलोमीटर. Okay, so it was 90 kilometers from Mahi check post. Basically, we've come half the way. We've come till Loma. We somehow managed to reach Loma. Lucky, at least this town was closed. It didn't happen anywhere in between Loma and Nyoma. So we reached here. We'll get the puncture done. Hope things go fine after that. Our guy here has gone in search of the person who gets the puncture done. Even his house is locked. Now what to do? No luck. We didn't find him. Where is he hidden? He is our ride savior. And he is missing. But where? If he has to have lunch, he has to come home, right? We came to his home, he's not here. We went to his shop, he's not there. No idea where he is. We found some villagers here, and there is an option to transport the bike from here. So they're all having food at the temple. Hello, I check it. So they've invited us for lunch. Kushal Nagar Golden Temple. Basically today is some auspicious day, so they all having food at this temple here, and we joined. Royal Enfield Classic. Thank you. न्यूमा में तो है ना, तो हम सिर्फ न्यूमा जाएंगे.
हमारा बाइक उधर आर्मी चेक पोस्ट है ना,
ITBP चेक पोस्ट है ना, वहाँ एक बाइक, वहाँ से टायर खोल के लेके आ गए. लंच डन. वीडियो बनाता हूँ YouTube में डालना. हाँ, तो आपको गाँव में डालेंगे ना. अपने हम तो खाना खिलाया.
हमारा मंदिर देख के जाओ.
अंदर जाएंगे. Okay, come on, let's go inside. We'll go visit their temple as well. Rongo temple.
यहाँ से सीधा जाना.
सीधा. Okay. Parents having lunch. झूले. Hello. What's your name? Your name? Hello. Bye. This is their village.
इधर जो पंचर लगा था ना, वो अभी नहीं, वो है ना, वही है, तो वो नहीं लगाएंगे.
अभी कैसे फाटे थे?
हाँ, उनको दिखाएंगे तो पता चल जाएगा ना.
At last, we found the person who can get the job done. He's taking a tire and going.
ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ.
ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Kids taking baths. Shop keys.
ये 400 रुपये. होती कैंपर दाऊ ना या.
ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. See those kids taking baths, getting ready. Now we need to find a tube piece to make that. Give me that. Yeah. We need to prepare one of these first, so that we need to roll that around the spokes screw there, so it doesn't damage the tube. Project failure. So what happened was, I was telling you about that strap, right, which sits in between the spokes. We couldn't get that done because the tube over here is very thick. They have truck tubes. No clue what's going to happen next. So loading the bike is the only option for us now. We came in Mahindra camper, now we're going in Tata. So he was in Api tha na? Kushal Nagar mein. He was in Kushal Nagar Golden Temple. So we met him at the village there, and he said he'll bring his vehicle and come. Now what we're going to do is, we'll load our motorcycle from the ITBP post and head to Chumtang straight, because the time is already 2:30. 2:30 okay na? Time is 2:30. We go straight. Yatish, what do you think? Adventure is getting exhausting, no? Puncture. One puncture is causing so much trouble.
Not one puncture, dude. 4 punctures.
4 punctures, yeah. There were 4 punctures. There were 4. So what we decided to do is, I have a spare tube with me. We can't make that patch around the spokes, right? So this tube, we'll cut it and make that patch. And we'll put that tube into the bike and then we'll ride. Nothing will stop us. Come on, let's do it. And we got the tires fixed. Not bad, I've become quite of an expert in fixing tires now. Hey dude, here. Tire is fixed. That is done. हाँ बस और आगे हाँ बस काफ़ी है छोड़ दो. So it's time to load the bike. Let's do that now. Plan B worked. The bike is loaded. Actually, we rode the bike for a few kilometers after it was punctured, thinking that it wouldn't damage much since it was a tubeless tire, but that strap inside snapped. Thank you, sir. So, ಅದೇನೋ ಯಾರ್ದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ बा ಮುಂದನೆ वो पीछे बैठा है वो आगे बैठेंगे बंद बड़ा ಮುಂದೆ आराम से चलाओ
पूरा देखते हैं सर
आपका वो रेन कोट है क्या वो कुछ ब्लैक कलर का वाइट कोट है ना
मैंने डाल दे वो पूरा डाल
निकाल दो
रख दो पूरा
ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡು ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಜಾಡಕ್ಕೆ Dude, how are you feeling there? Look at us exploring places. Ways to explore places, huh? I can't bet this window is quite small. Yeah, na? Door to look at. Okay. Yes. See us. This is how we're exploring Hanle. After the puncture, now we're towing the vehicle. We had shortage of straps, so whoa. Keep your foot down. We had shortage of straps as well, so need to manage with what we have. We made it to base camp. What, dude? We made it to base camp with the motorcycle. One is there. So tonight our stay is going to be here as well. Just untying the tags. We'll just unload it, remove the tire. It's still 5:45, so the puncture shop will be there. We'll remove the tire, take it and get it done, so tomorrow morning we can ride again. Oh man. Today was a messy day.
A lot of bikers, man.
There are a lot of bikers today. I don't know from where they came all of a sudden. There are 4 bikes on the road which went towards Somoriri. There are about 15 to 20 bikes here. No clue where they're up to. What they're up to. Yeah, you see us unloading the bike also now. You saw the loading part, right?